Hi guys, it's Melea from Our Rich Journey Jr. and today I'm going to be making a video of me making madeleines. So the first ingredient I will be needing is sugar. And the second ingredient I will be needing is some vanilla extract. And lastly, I will need all-purpose flour, baking powder, and some salt. And the first thing that I will need to do is measure out my butter, which I need about 200 grams of. Seems like I've got to open a second package. Getting close. Just 4 more grams. And we're done with measuring the butter. And the next thing we'll have to do is melt the butter. I have used this recipe once before, and it says that a great method to make sure that your madeleines are rich in flavor is to brown the butter. I tried to do this previously, but I was too scared that I was going to burn it, so I stopped. But this time, I'm determined to do it right. I've seen a lot browner brown butters, but this is the closest I think I'm going to get. So I'm going to take it off the heat and pour it into a bowl so it'll stop cooking. Now I'm going to use my spatula to cream together my eggs and sugar. Now I'm going to go off video and use my electric mixer to mix this all up. Now that I'm close to finishing beating the eggs and the sugar together, I'm going to add in some vanilla extract and some lemon zest. I'm back, and now I'm going to mix in my flour mixture using my spatula. Now that I've finished mixing in the flour mixture, now I'm going to add in my butter. Now I'm going to cover and chill my batter as well as my butter tin for about an hour. I need to set my oven to around 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which is around 180 degrees Celsius, and wait for it to heat up. And while I'm going to do that, I'm going to put my batter into a piping bag and pipe it onto my tray. Now it's time to pop these madeleines in the oven. And this is the final product. Hey everyone, I'd just like to say that that was the end of the video, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, hit that notification button, subscribe to our channel, and join the journey.